yabona ke mabe ngijoka ngisebenzisa la mindset lawo yabo ahlephuka ngoDisemba anginiki inkinga nje impela ngithi ngiyawaciciyela engavumi yabo to the point ukuthi ke ngibophe ngama-elastic ngibophe ngama-sellotape hayi athi kungilast abuyahlephuka ecaca ukuthi hayi ayabheda la mindset ngoDisemba yabo ngiyaciciyela nje ngiyapatanisa kuze kube izolo-ke la avele abheda kakhulu avela ngixega nje abona nje ahlephuka ngisho ngibheka phansi awasangibamba ayangiphazamisa nje anginika i-discomfort nje ekugijimeni kwami yabo ngabona ukuthi mhlawumbe amasha ayangikhomba ke la angifaneleke manje amasha kodwa mangabe ngihluleka ngempela ngoba hayi I strongly believe ukuthi khona engisangawenza hayi kwathi ke namhlanje ke ngawadumela ngawashisa ngegas light le ene pressure ngawashisa ngase ngiyawashisela nje kanje hayi ngiyawagqoka nje manje aphila kamnandi kanjani ngigijima ngawo abuyele esimeni sawo ngoba phela bengibona akhala phela inkinga ukuthi ahlephukile lelela ngikutshelelani lokho the very first attempt umuntu ozoba potentially poor ayenzayo yena is to give out money every time ehlangana nenkinga not trying to execute other avenues just to give out money without trying something else izanendlebe engalesi sikhathi ubingelela uchanges akasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona into ecanga ukuthi iyona possibilities are infinite in the universe your own consciousness is your own limitation kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona uyezwa yena nje into yokuqala yenzayo ufuna ukukhipha imali athenge yezwa iyona into addicted kuyona surely ungaba potentially poor ke lapho ngoba ukuba poor ke ku-permanent phela ngoba lapho sikhuluma ngokuthi wena you are relying on paycheck yes to survive you don't own any income generating assets yes because umuntu ozoba wealthy ozoba ne-wealth lo muntu is very mindful of preserving imali because I know ukuthi people are not struggling with making money. No, they know how to make money. They are struggling with preserving it. They have buying instinct. Bafuna ukuthi la bekhona kubonakala ukuthi into yokuthenga abanayo. Ngisho bengenayo. Uyabo? Ngisho bengenayo babufuna kubonakala ukuthi they've got some money. No. Yabo? But yet in contrary, those who do yabo possess some who are wealthy, they don't want to show up, they don't want to show off rather to people that they possess some great amount of assets yabo. So ke okuzama ukuthi kuma problems ohlangabezana nawo ukukhipha imali kube last resort. Yes, ukukhipha imali kube last resort. Buka phela yabona there is a very thin line ohlukanisa between umuntu onale mindset yokuba isicephu yes nomuntu nje yabo there's very thin line there yabo because lo omunye is thinking of preservation ne lo omunye extravagant wasting angisho yakhumbula ukuthi I spoke about this ukuthi a foolish person waste money while an average one spend it while a wise one invest it yabo akube last resort bona ngoba umuntu ordinary nje into ayenzayo uma ngabe kune sale uyagijima ayothenga ngisho engaqondile ukuthenga kune sale impahla ziphansi amanani aphansi yes kune sale but uma ngabe ku ama shares ephansi ku negative territory ubona investor ene mindset yokuba i consumer idayisa yona idayisa at a loss yabo esikhundleni sokuthi ngabe iyathenga because kusho ukuthi kune sale lapho izinto zibuthwa phansi uyabona uma ukhuluma ngezindlu uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe izindlu ama real estate kune crash ekhona lapho kuma real estate, umuntu onemali lapho nomuntu nje one leverage kwi finance kudinga ukuthi athenge lapho, given ukuthi unayo i-background information, uyenzile i-homework yakhe, yabo, uyakwazi ukubona ama-opportunities, ngoba uzokhumbula ukuthi uRobert Kiyosaki uyasho ukuthi kumele ube nayo i-foundation yayo i-market, yabo, ukuthi operate kanjani. Kumele ukuthi athenge lapho kulowo crash leyo, ngoba kune-potential ye-growth. You don't make profits ngani ngokudayisa, yakhe i-profits ngokuthenga, because uyabhaya at the right time, because surely you are going to sell at the right time. Kumele athenge lapho, yabo. I-mindset leyo. Kodwa umuntu ordinary nje uzokwenza njani? Uzothi ama-prices anje, I'm selling and selling at a loss. Tina, we buy things that we should sell and we sell things that we should buy. Yabo? I'm just shaping your mind a little bit, because I know that you don't have a problem in relations to how to make money. You know you don't have a problem on that. You have a problem on how to preserve it. Buying instinct, social cues and pressure. While you are preserving that money, you are constantly going to buy asset, income generating assets. You still remember the four classes. Awafethi mawuse nayo into iphila nje, awumancane ukuthenga meyisasebenza nje, awumancane ukuthenga. Ukuba wona abantu abamnandi la abanalo isobho nje, abangaphaphili ukuthi benza kanjani, ukuba bona ukuthi benza kanjani, abayenzi yonke lemsangano le enziwa yilabo ababroke. Uthola ukuthi yazi ngisho ungahola 100,000 ngenyanga, uyabaphuwa uhola usebenza 100,000 ngenyanga, kodwa uthola ukuthi wena uyaphuwa, yabo, because ukuthi income le akuyona i-assets le, yabo, and you need to be there for you ukuthi ukwazi ukwakha leyo income. Oze kubeni nike thina ndle emnyama sicabanga nje ngale ndlela esicabanga ngayo, ngoba phela abanye abantu ezinye inhlanga zi-owner isikhathi nemali yethu. Simple, yilokho nje. Own other people's time and own other people's money. That's what they do. When don't you think of owning your own time and own your own money? Don't you think of that? You want somebody else to tell you what to buy, when and how. You don't want to be the commander empilweni yakho, ma finances akho, yabo. A freedom without a financial freedom, baba, lo freedom leyo kahle la ka third dimension, lo freedom leyo mfethu i-faint, yabo, faint, ngoba nakho impahla uyigqokile, ayekho akupha lezo mpahla lezo wathenga. Yes, ngisho nga spiritual nje manje, kodwa imali uyayidinga, and you gotta play this game nicely, not creeping people, poking them at the back. No, just play it safely and nicely, yabo, creating value. That's simple. And make sure angithi yabona ukuthi there are other people la ku social media, they are using what they have, they just become themselves, and then you guys are paying that. You are paying for who they are. Angithi thina akekho umuntu othunywe la ukuzovalela isikhala engisivalile mina ngokwami ngi-unique, akekho omunye ume-changes okhona, just like you, it's the same thing. And mina mele ngikukhokhele wena makukhonto okwazi ukuyenza wena, mele ngikukhokhele, yabo. Mawukuthi nje wena khonto okwazi ukuyidevelopa wena, mina ngikwazi ukuyidevelopa, that is the space we are here to fill up. And mina I have to pay for you, yabo, I have to pay for you. I shouldn't say mina why you want money, spirituality, this and that. No, what are you here to do? When we have to, that's your value. Say your price, we're gonna pay, because we don't have problem in paying. If you want to receive, you're gonna give. That's how it works. This is a game, good people. If unenkinga nokukhipha imali futhi nje, vele ukhohlwe nje yona, because you can't get what you didn't give. As long as ukhipha umphefumulo ufaka, ngeke uze ufaka ungazange ukhipha. Yes, no ukhipha ungazange ufaka. So it's an art nje. Life is a game of giving and receiving. Which I use alone. So I'm just enlightening you, shaping your mind, indlela yokucabanga. It's just a matter of the way of thinking ehlukanisa inhloko nesixhanti.